Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you, and again I am here to teach you the SST Standard 1 chapter 17 and in lecture number 2, and I will told that I will give you the exercise in this video only. So first of all, let me finish the chapter, then I will go to the exercise. Before that, we will take a short look at what we have learned, I have explained you in first videos. But again I'm just giving you this information that please stay at home, and whatever the homework you are not completing till now, then please complete it, because whenever the school will open, if I will ask the homework to you, you have to show me, and it should be in good handwriting and legible handwriting. So right now you have a lots of time, so it's better that you can use the time and you can complete your all homework. It should be in good handwriting. And please don't go outside, because it's very serious disease COVID-19, so it's better that we can enjoy inside, and you can attend your online classes also. And whatever the homework I will give, I will upload on the website of Hertford International School. You can go there and you can take your homework, and then again you can write down in clear copy. So just take a short look at what we have learned in the earlier class, means in first videos. So we have talked about the animals who lives around us. Like the plants, animals are also they found around us, means different types of animals they found it around us. In fact, we share our world with animals and plants also. We share our worlds because we can find lots of animals and trees around us, our world. So that's why we have shared these all our world with animals and plants too. So there are different kinds of animals. There are different kinds of animals, and animals such as tiger, lion, wolf and giraffe, they lived in forest. These all are the animals. They lived in forest. They can't live with us because they are dangerous for us. So that's why they lived in the forest, and they are called wild animals. They are called wild animals. The animals who lived in forest, they are called wild animals. Example: lion, tiger, wolf, giraffe, cheetah, fox, wolf. These all are what? These all are the example of wild animals. Next is that we keep some animals. We keep some animals. We can feed them, we can help them, we can play with them. So we keep some animals such as dog, cat, parrot, rabbit and fish as our friends at home. So these all are the animals we just take care of them as a friend, and we kept them at home, at our home. Then they are called pet animals. They are called pet animals. Now we should look after our pets, because they help us. They are very kind, and they just always protect our house from the thieves. So that's why what, like the dog is what, they always protect us from all the dangerous things. So we have what, we always look after our pets. We should love them and never hurt them. We should always love our pet animals, and we should never hurt them, because animals, they can't speak, but it's very dangerous. So it's better that we can't hurt them. We always love them, the pet animals, and we should take care as like a friends. Some animals are useful to us and kept at home or on farms. They are called domestic animals. So what is domestic animals? Animals are useful to us. It means they gives us lots of things, and they are very useful to us, and we kept that all animals at home as on farms. They are called domestic animals. They are called domestic animals. Like a goat, they gives us milk, and we just kept them in our house. We just take care of them, and they gives us what? They gives us milk. So what, they are called domestic animals. So animals are like some animals. So I'm just again telling that what is domestic animals. Some animals are useful to helps us and to kept at home or on farms. That animal, so they are called domestic animals. They are called domestic animals. So there are some pictures. Are there domestic animals? So we get eggs and meat from hens. So hen is what we can take. We just kept these hens at home, or we can farm also. So the hen is what? It's a domestic animals, and it gives us eggs and meat also. Second is goats gives us milk and meat. So goat is what? It gives us milk and it gives us meat also, and it is useful and it is domestic animals. Next, cows and buffaloes gives us milk. Cows and buffaloes, they gives us milk, and their milk is very energetic and very it is very good for our body. So these all are the pet animals. They gives us these all things. So on farms. Now, did you know is there, you can see in yellow box, we can keep fish at home in a glass bowl or tank, which is called an aquarium. So when once you will go at home, any home, then you can see that there is one ball, glass ball, or in a tank, many different types of fish are there. So that they are called what? Aquarium. Next is a donkey carries load for us. Donkey is also domestic animals, and what they carries the heavy loads. Like suppose we can't carry it and we can't take it from one place to another, so we can take the help of donkeys, and it can carries heavy loads and it can go from one place to another. Next is a horse carries load for us. Horse also it can carries load for us. An ox plugs the field for us. So ox is what? Ox helps us to plug the fields so that we can grow their crops easily. A bullock carts help to take things and people from one place to another. Bullock cart is what? It helps us to take the things and people to go from one place to another. Next, an elephant carries load for us. Elephant is also carry load for us. Now did you know camel is what? Camel is also domestic animal. Camel is also domestic animal, and camel is a sheep of desert also. It helps to carry load as well as people in deserts. So camel is what? It helps us to carry heavy loads and people also in deserts, and it also gives us milk. Camel also gives us milk. We should take care of all animals. We should always take care of all animals. We should be kind to them and not overburden them with load. And we should always kind to them, and we should not overburden them. Means if the capacity is only two wood, then don't keep the 4-5 wood. Just keep them. Don't overdose with the heavy loads. Now your chapter is completed. I hope that you guys have understood the chapter. Let's go to the exercises. New words are there, only 4 new words are there: wild animals, pets animals, domestic animals, and aquarium, that you can write down from the book. Exercise I'm just telling you so that you can complete it in your fair copy. First is animals that live in forest are called dash animals. Then answer is are called wild animals. B number, animals that we keep as friends at home are called dash animals. Then answer is pet. Answer is pet. C number, answer are animals are dash to us, useful or not useful. Then answer is useful. Animals are useful to us. D number, animals that we keep at home or on farms and are useful to us are called dash animal, pet animal or domestic animals. Then the answer is domestic animals. No need to tell you the spelling because it is already given in your options. So you can tick only domestic. E number, we should be dash to animals, cruel or kind. Then answer is kind. We should always kind to the animal. Now give 2 example of each of the following. A number, you have to give the example of wild animal. First of all, these all then pet animals is there, domestic animals, animals that carry load for us, and animals who gives us milk. It is inside your chapter only answer, so you can do you by your own self. And if till after if you don't, then I will help you and I will upload the website. But before you have to go to the chapter and then you have to complete by your own self. Next, I think your exercise is completed, then please complete it in fair copy. Next, again I will back to teach you the next chapter. Till that, thank you and have a nice day.